Welcome to Really Fun Math with Miss Colvang. Hey guys, and welcome to Virtual School Week 4. As usual, I will be posting everything on the calendar so that you can go through and you can work through assignments at your own pace, but everything is divided by day as usual. I'm going to be going through that calendar to show you a couple things that have changed just as we go through this virtual course. I'm learning some different things and trying to make it as accessible as possible, so there are just a few minor changes. The other thing that I've been getting a lot of questions about is grade changes. This is the first week where I'm really going to look in depth at that, and you will be getting contacted if you have done enough work to get a grade change. So I'm only going to contact you when I up your grade, a whole letter grade. So just be kind of on the lookout for that. And if you're wondering about that, that should be changing at the first half of this week. So stay tuned for the calendar review, and I hope everything's going well. As usual, if you need to reach out to me, you totally can, and I will answer as fast as I can. See ya. Okay guys, so this will go live Sunday evening, but I'm going to go ahead and just kind of talk you guys through the calendar. As usual, workshop is in orange, math 8 is in blue, and then things that are applicable to both classes are green. And as you should know at this point, anything that's blue and underlined is a link, so you just have to click on it. Everything is housed in this calendar. And again, these are all added to the same calendar link. So my suggestion is you just favorite this page, and then you'll have the resources that you need for me for all of fourth quarter. I did come up with a new way of sharing family photos and videos because some people wanted to share a video and weren't sure how to do it. So this is the new Padlet that I've created. Okay, so back on the calendar, when this calendar goes live, a couple things are going to be different because I have not finished creating this video and I have not finished creating Solving Equations Part 2. So those will be blue and be linked instead of the red that they are currently. For Monday, Math 8 people, you need to watch the greeting video, which is this. You need to complete the digital graph of the week. And then if you're in workshop on Monday, you need to do 20 minutes on MobyMax. Tuesday, there is a Solving Equations Review Part 2 video and a quizzes assignment. It is linked here, or you could also use that access code. And then one thing that has changed this week is the way I'm going to be doing WebEx, or not really the way I'm doing it, but when I'm doing it. I've had a lot of decline on the numbers of people coming to those WebEx question and answer sessions, so I'm going to just do 2 this week. I'm going to be doing 1 on Tuesday at 11 a.m., so that's the same time as I've done before. And then I'm going to be doing the other one Thursday, and instead of 11 a.m., I'm going to try it at 2 p.m. I'm wondering if people are sleeping in late and are missing them. So just keep that in mind if you are somebody that has come regularly. I'm changing it on the calendar for this week to see if I can get some more people to show up. For Wednesday, workshop people, you have an online exploration. It is a link about whether math was discovered or invented, and I want you to do sections watch, think, and dig deeper. They're all linked on that website. For Thursday, Math 8 people, there is a practice worksheet I would like you to open and try to do the problems on a piece of notebook paper. I have also posted the answers only document and answers with all of the work that you would need, so you can check those on your own. And again, if you need any help on those, the WebEx in that afternoon is a really good way to get extra help. And then on Friday for workshop people, you have data representations review, which is a Google form. So it's just got some questions on all the different types of data representations we've been looking at. So that is a general idea. Oh, I guess I need to change this time. This is the 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock hour. There we go. So that is going to be accurate. And then at the bottom of the page, as usual, resources. There's a family resource page if you're looking for extra things to work on, a link to the Colvang YouTube page, and then links to 2 different calculators if you need those as a resource. So as usual, I will send out the update on Skyward and through your email when this link is going to be live and everything is going to be ready to go. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please reach out to me via email or on one of the WebEx sessions and we'll get things cleared up. Hope everything's going well and you guys are doing well, and I will see you on the flip side.